Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change Nissan Pathfinder headlight bulb, easy method. Start by removing the headlight access cover, then unplug the bulb connector and release the retaining clip. Use gloves to avoid oil on the new bulb and insert it carefully. Reconnect the connector, resecure the access cover, and test the beam to confirm proper alignment and function before driving. Now remove the headlight access panel by loosening the retaining screws or clips and carefully pulling the cover free. If components like the air intake or washer reservoir block access, gently shift them aside without forcing. Keep each fastener separated and note their positions for easy reinstallation. This keeps the job tidy and prevents frustrating reassembly, helping you finish faster and with confidence. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more easy car repair tips. Quick recommendation: the Owala water bottle is perfect to keep you hydrated while working under the hood, and it's handy in the garage. I've linked the bottle and other deals in the description so you can check them out. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Remove the old bulb by releasing the retaining spring or twisting the socket as required, then pull it straight out. Before handling the new bulb, put on clean gloves or use a clean cloth to avoid skin oils. Insert the new bulb into the socket, secure the clip or twist to lock it, and reconnect the electrical plug. Test the headlight before reassembling the cover to ensure proper operation and alignment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.